In this video, we're going to have a little look at the budget MG build and go over the progress that's happened. So if this is your first time watching, basically the plan is I bought a 1976 MGB for $1,750 Canadian, and I'm looking to build it out as a running and driving, good looking little sports car for under $3,000. And we are well on our way there. Let's have a look. In the last video, we got the thing started up. It's had the floors replaced in it. It's had a tune-up done to the motor. And just the other day, we threw on this brand new convertible top. There's a few wrinkles in it, but I don't have it clipped in all the way right now because we're going to take it off here in a second and have a look at the interior. But as of right now, I have been driving it on a fairly regular basis. Obviously just when the weather was nice because we didn't have a good top on it. So let's take the top off and we'll have a quick peek. Now that we've got the top down, we can have a look inside here, and look, it has an interior. I've been using that Bluetooth speaker for my music, but other than that, everything's in the interior. It's all working. That old jacket and that wooden box is on there so that when the dog gets in the car with me, he doesn't wreck my seats. And he's got a little place that he can stretch out because anytime he's in a vehicle, he instantly wants to go to sleep. But it's looking pretty good. It's running very well. And I think it's time to take it for a little ride. Poor dog's so big that his head doesn't even fit in. It's up over higher than the windshield. Everything's running just right and looking just right. So there's still a few things left to do on it, mostly cosmetic work. There's some rust bubbles that need to be taken care of, or well, paint bubbles, I guess. They're not really rust, but there is a little bit of surface rust here and there that we're going to take care of. I've also decided that I'm not going to paint it. I'm going to wrap it instead. So maybe leave a comment and tell me what color you think I should wrap it. I personally was thinking like Nardo gray and then doing some racing livery on it, but we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the old MGB.